Shiz. Shiz.
This one's going to be a quick show, just because nothing really much going on today. But I just wanted to say hi. But look at this. It doesn't look all that dangerous yet, but thunder is heard in the background. So it's definitely a storm going on. Microsoft is going to purchase Yammer, which is a social networking tool that can be installed into SharePoint. And so I think that's a good idea because SharePoint in itself is a great collaboration tool, but it does lack the social networking. It's starting to rain. So come on, guys, make this quick because I don't like thunderstorms. And I don't want to be out in it. And I'm standing under a frickin' tree. Going to work, going to do work, slave away for the man, yeah. Alright. Not really much happened today, just kind of sat home all morning and beginning of the afternoon, took the dogs out for a walk, and took the dogs out for a walk and came back and just relaxed until now. I got to go to work at 3:30. It's like 3:30 p.m. right now, Central Daylight Time. PM, 15:30 for those who know military, and it's starting to rain again, as you can see. Got to turn my wipers on. One thing I hate about coming to work is finding a place to park. Sorry about the windshield wipers, but I need them. I might have to park across the street, which sucks because it's further out, and I don't like parking across the street. But it seems like I might have to. Oh, and that clock right there, it's 8 minutes fast. So, though I gotta hurry up, It's not necessarily 3:30 yet, if you can see the clock. Okay, so I gotta get around. Okay, I thought I saw a couple parking spaces. There we go.
Shiz.
It's the only thing I hate about coming to work is finding parking. There we go. Peace out. I'll see you guys in a minute.